Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 7 best Windows file recovery softwares. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1 in the list, EaseUS. EaseUS is one of the renowned software in the Windows file recovery industry. This data recovery software performs overwhelmingly and gives storage of files in data blocks. The way of formatting of the file system is quite fast and responsive when the software is EaseUS. It works great in all Windows file systems. It recovers all the deleted files, photos, music, videos, and emails smartly. The millions of users in the figure is over 30 million is not easy to gain. EaseUS is available in the free and paid version. Features. It has an intuitive graphic interface that is very easy to use. You can pause the scanning process, and you can also save the scanning results. It recovers more files, and all file types than other recovery software. Its premium version recovers unlimited data and you will get lifetime updates. With the free version, you can recover only 500 megabytes of data. Pricing. The plans and pricing of EaseUS data recovery software are displayed on the screen. If you are looking for discounts on EaseUS data recovery, check description for the discount link. Number 2, Kernel for Windows Data Recovery. Kernel for Windows Data Recovery is a powerful tool for recovering lost, deleted and inaccessible data. It supports all kinds of partition formats like FAT16, FAT32, NTFS, and NTFS5 of the Windows system. With this software, you can also recover the data from the removal devices also. It supports you to recover files of any format that includes graphic, document, media, archive, database, and web files. With this software, you can instantly search and get the results of corrupted or lost files in an organized way. Features. Fixes Windows corruption errors from both physical and logical devices. Recover all valuable files. Instant searching of files. Configure recovery settings. Recovery from external devices. Generates quick preview before saving. 100% safe and secure. 30-day money-back guarantee. 24/7 live chat. Pricing. Kernel for Windows Data Recovery is available in 3 licenses, such as Home License, Corporate License, and Technical License. The prices of all the 3 licenses are displayed on the screen. Check description for the discount link of kernel licenses. Number 3, MiniTool Power Data Recovery. MiniTool Power Data Recovery is one of the best and professional data recovery software for Windows users for free. It also provides the software for Mac and servers. This is available as a free and paid version for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Using this application, you can recover the lost or corrupted data from laptop, HDD, SSD, memory cards, USB drive, and many more. MiniTool Power Data Recovery supports to recovery of 100+ file formats of images, videos, documents, audios, and many more. In the latest version of this application, they included a feature of recovering a specific folder from the storage device. Features. Quickly recover lost, deleted files in simple steps. Improved data recovery from FAT32 partition. Supports 100+ file formats of photos, videos, audios, documents and etc. Quick specific location recovery. Superior file preview before recovery. 1 GB free data recovery in free version. Pricing. MiniTool Power Data Recovery provides its services in 4 plans, such as free, monthly subscription, annual subscription, and perpetual license. The prices of all the plans are displayed on the screen. Number 4, Stellar Windows Data Recovery. Stellar Windows Data Recovery software is highly actionable in recovering your images, documents, audio MP3, and more. It has done a good job so far, so it is an award-winning tool. Features. Its interface is simple, you can feel great ease while using this recovery software. It supports over 200 media files to receive back files, photos, and documents from the corrupt system. You can sort files by type, set filters, in short. It keeps the folder structures intact when it is in the recovering process. It can recover data from completely crashed systems and unbootable devices. The free version supports only up to 1 GB files. Pricing. Stellar Windows Data Recovery is available in 4 versions like Standard, Professional, Premium, and Technician. The prices of all the versions are displayed on the screen. Check description for the discount link of Stellar Windows Data Recovery. Number 5, Recuva. Recuva is the best free Windows file recovery software. Recuva recovery data software is responsive and multi-performer. It is developed by Purifirm, which is famous for its PC cleaning software cleaner. The productive interface with the quality result is all about Recuva. It comes in a built-in wizard that guides you in the process of recovery files and data. All you need to do is just answer the question of the wizard like types of files, area of scan, and many. The paid version comes with tech support and automatic update options. Number 6, Pandora Recovery. Pandora Recovery is a feature-rich option for recovering your important data. It gives you the option of scanning and recovers the FAT32 or NTFS file system. Through the scanning process, you can discover the types of files and connect them to other removable storage devices. It provides tutorial for easy understanding of recovery process. It is compatible with the latest Windows platforms. This stunning recovery software is absolutely free. Number 7, Wondershare Recoverit. Wondershare Recoverit is really wonderful software to recover data. It works very fast, and recovers a number of files than free software. This software is very handy to use. It can recover almost all files types that supports over 500 formats. You can recover a particular folder or an entire partition. It will have a resume feature. You will get a discount when you buy multiple PC licenses. It is available for Windows and Mac as well. It will give you a trial version, but you can recover only 100 megabytes of data with the trial versions. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.